Hey there, if you're building a WordPress site and want to keep it hidden until it's fully ready, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 5 easy ways to hide your WordPress site so you can work in peace without anyone peeking. First, let's start with the simplest method, using the draft status. Log into your WordPress dashboard. You can even use your Google account for a quick login. Once inside, head over to the Pages section and select the page you want to hide. Click Edit, then find the status option, usually on the right-hand panel. Change it from Publish to Draft, hit Save or Update, and voila! Your page is now private and your work remains hidden until you're ready to launch. Another easy trick is using a maintenance or coming soon plugin. Plugins like SeedProd or Coming Soon Page in maintenance mode let you display a temporary page to visitors while keeping your real site under wraps. Simply install the plugin, activate it, and customize your message. This is perfect if you want a professional looking placeholder while you continue building your site. You can also restrict access with a password. WordPress allows you to password protect individual pages or your entire site. Just choose the password option in the visibility settings of your page, set a secure password, and share it only with those who need to see your progress. For a more advanced approach, limit site visibility to search engines. Go to Settings, Reading, and check the box that says Discourage search engines from indexing this site. This won't hide your site completely, but it ensures it doesn't appear in Google search results while you work. Finally, for complete control, you can use a staging site. Many hosting providers offer staging environments where you can build your site safely, separate from the live version. Once your site is perfect, you can push it live with a single click. By using any of these methods, you can work on your WordPress site without worrying about visitors stumbling onto unfinished pages. Take your time, polish your content, and launch with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I've got plenty more WordPress tips coming your way.